How to fix Instagram couldn't post story. Hello guys, so if you want to fix this problem, it's very easy to solve, so just watch this video until the end. So first thing you have to do is just go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the apps manager on your phone like this. Now on this page you will find many apps as you can see, but we don't need all these. All what we need is the Instagram app from here. Now all what you have to do is click on Instagram, and here on this page you will find the app informations as you can see. Just click here on force stop. That's the first thing. The second thing is go to the storage from here and click on clear cache, and then click on clear data. After that, go back and this time click on the permissions option. On this step you need to make sure that all the permissions are enabled, and after that go back and click on the power usage details. That's the last step. So after you click on it, all what you have to do here is click on force stop down here and make sure that the power consumption alert is enabled. And that's it. Now all what you have to do is just turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.